Welcome into the era of AI. If you're looking for a software that would make images talk, then DID is just the right fit for you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and explore. So first off, here, even in the background, we have a video. That video is actually generated via DID. You can see the robot talking. Now that robot, on the other hand, was generated via Leonardo AI. So it is not really a real robot or a stock photo. It is generated via AI. And here we have some example videos that we can show you. The first one is that of a doctor generated via Midjourney, and we made that doctor talk. Let's listen to this.
Discover the power of healthine.com. Expert guidance at your fingertips. Reliable healthcare information in a single platform.
All right, that's the first one. Here we have Luffy.
You will make a mistake if you don't learn more about the power of AI.
And here we have this one.
You don't believe what you'll be missing if you don't take action now.
So there's also the notion of accents in there. So if you want the character to speak in British accent, whatever accent you want them to speak in. For example, this one right here is a character from Midjourney that I created. And I made the character speak in, I think, Spanish accent. English, but Spanish accent.
Don't want to miss this course if you seek to learn how easy AI can make your life.
And we have some more to show you. So, of course, it doesn't get short. DID is a magnificent software. Here, this video has been created also using DID. Let's go ahead and watch a little bit.
Urgent disclaimer. Seize the future today. Missed the mobile app wave? Now's your chance to lead in the AI revolution with ChatGPT and by prompts by OpenAI. This isn't just a leap.
All right, so we have that one. And then we have more, of course. This one is also a character generated using Leonardo. And we
Discover
animated it.
Quillbot, your ultimate writing assistant, now with powerful tools all in one place, and it's free.
As you can see, it looks real. So let's go ahead. Watch some more. This is another robot.
Are you prepared for the AI era? Because AI is here to take your job. But the question is, are you prepared to get ready? Will you do what it takes? Or will you simply watch the AI wave crush you?
Right. So I'm going to actually move into more. This one is a deep fake of my face and Johnny Depp. So let's go ahead and watch this.
I'm not Johnny Depp here, but it's good to have some fun with deepfakes.
All right. Now let's move on to the next one. Now these are interesting because these are characters that didn't exist. I created them using Leonardo and they look really realistic. So if you're looking to create wizards, for example, then Leonardo is your friend. And let's click this.
Ever wondered why Bilbo reacts so strongly when Smaug says precious? Let's debunk this in 60 seconds.
And this one is also another good one.
Hit the subscribe button and the bell for more videos.
Now, let me move on to show you some more characters here. Hopefully we still have some.
Ever wondered why
subscribe
Bilbo
button
reacts so
and-
strongly when Smaug says precious?
So those are the only characters that we have. And right now, let me go ahead and show you how you can animate these characters. So first, you would need to go to d-id.com. You'll find the link to it in the resources. The best software out there for animating characters. And inside of the ID, you can start your free trial in which they're going to give you access to, I think, about 20 credits to create about maybe 5 videos. But the problem with the DID free membership is that you'll get the character, but you'll get a basic watermark with it. And that is not going to look good on your video, especially if you're intending to use it. Now, I'm going to log into my pro account. And so here, I'm actually logged into my D-ID account. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how you can generate some videos. First off, click on the Create Video option. Once you have clicked there, you can choose a presenter from the presenters that they have here, down here. So you can just scroll down and see the presenters. Now, most of them that are HQ, you're not allowed to use, but you can upload your own presenters. Now, for instance, here we have the Joker, we have this old person, we have this lady. Now, this lady I've generated using AI, and you can upload any kind of image you want. So As long as there is a character there, there's a face that can be recognized. So I'm going to click on the lady here. You can either upload an audio that you want the person to say, or you can add a script, which means a text that you can write yourself. The audio is obviously an audio you upload, the text, you write it down. Now, make sure you select a voice that goes with the character. So in this case, it's a female character. So we're going to have to go, for example, with Amber or Anna or something like that. When it comes to the styles here, they're not allowing me to choose any, but I'm just going to go ahead and generate something. Now, you can use AI to generate, but that is a feature that requires more money that you need to pay. Now, let me go ahead here and type something. And the text is simple. It's just, I'm Amber, an AI assistant created by Ruan Hamza. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove this first bit because it should say Hamza. And that's it. Now, once you're done, click on Generate Video. This will show you how many credits it's going to take. It's only going to take one because this is just a 6-second video. Obviously, the more seconds, the more credits they're going to consume. Now, I have 40 left, which is pretty good. So I can generate way more videos. Now, once I click here and basically add my character, the character is going to be rendered and we will be able to watch the video by clicking here on Play Generated Video. You can also download it to your computer or copy the link and share.
I am Amber.
Now, I'm going to go ahead full screen here because we need to get the full view of the character.
Hello, I am Amber, an AI assistant created by Ruan Hamza.
And you can see how incredible that is. It really animated the character in such a good way. Now, when it comes to creating your own characters, you can actually do it, right? So for instance, this Joker character here, I created the character using Leonardo AI. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So first off, go to Leonardo AI. Once you're in Leonardo, you can create any character you so desire. I'm just going to go to image generation feature here and just create a random character. I'm going to use the photo reel option. But I'm going to show you how you can create characters, deepfake characters of yourself. I'm going to switch off to photo reel. Here we have the image guidance feature. So I'd like to click on the image guidance feature, which will take me to the image guidance. And from there, I'm going to select one of my images and I'll show you some magic here. So if you want to maybe look like the Joker, then this is right for you because what you can do, you can look a little bit like the Joker, right? By adding image guidance. So I'm going to click here to activate image guidance. Now this is not the image. I'm going to delete the image and add an image from here, from the library of images that I have. I have this image of myself sitting in a studio. I'm going to select that one. And then once you select it, hit the confirm button or upload an image. Now I'm going to go for a strength of maybe 0.35 or something. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and say the Joker, right? The Joker, right? The Joker laughing or whatever it is that you want him to do. The Joker. Now, when it comes to the style, I want it to be cinematic. It's all good. And then I'm going to hit generate. And then if I go to the generation history right here, it's going to show me the generation history. And I could go ahead and look at the picture. Once that's done, notice what happened is that we had a Joker in the studio. Now, this looks way too exaggerated. So it's really the Joker. There is no real features that reminds me of myself there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the strength to 0.54. And notice what's going to happen that if I generate right now, it's going to change the entire picture because the more you move the strength, the more you're going to look more like the initial video which you have started with. Now, but if you want to look exactly like the Joker, if you want to create a video where the Joker is sitting in your position, you can do that. That's your prerogative, but it's just in my case, I think it would be better off if we generate a mixture of the Joker and myself. You can see that each Joker looks different. For example, this one looks more like the Joaquin Phoenix Joker. This one looks more like the not the Chad Nichols. I'm not sure. Jack Nicholson. Yeah, Jack Nicholson's Joker. This one is a little bit more like him. And also there's the Joker, the Batman Joker as well. Somewhere around there should be something that looks like him. Okay, so right now we have some pictures. Now these look pretty much exactly like the studio, right? Nothing has changed about the studio. And you can see that we have a touch of Joker right now. So we changed. And this is pretty good. Now, if you want this to be a little bit better, to have a little bit more green hair, I would just recommend that you move the needle down to 0.45 perhaps. And then if I generate right now, I'm pretty sure it's going to have the results that I need. Not that the other results are not good, but certainly we can make sure that we get better results. All right, so these ones look a little bit better. And after you get the image that you like, make sure that you go ahead to the image guidance option here and make sure that you switch it off because I don't want to use it next. So this is it. Now take a picture from these that you like and we can make a picture talk. Now I'm going to go ahead with the one that I like. So I think this one is not bad. Let's click. You can see in the back, they're trying to write Gotham in there. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. Still, the mic looks pretty cool. The studio is not like this, but it's pretty much close. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to the ID. And I'd like you to click here on the Create Video option. And in there, upload a character. So I'm going to click to choose a presenter instead of this Joker. So now we have a new Joker. And here, I can go and make the Joker say whatever it is that I want him to say. So I can say, why so serious? Or instead of the script, you can add an audio. So we'll do it differently this time. What we're going to do here is we're going to add an audio. And then I can click generate. Now this will consume a lot more credits. So 2 credits for 24 seconds. That's not bad. And I'm going to go ahead right now and let's watch how this is going to turn out. Okay, so the video has been successfully generated. Let me download it first to watch it as a download instead of watching it here on the platform.
Introduce.
And there we go. So right now we have the video. Let's go ahead and visualize.
Introduce a little automation. Disrupt the established workforce, and everything becomes uncertain. I'm an agent of innovation. Oh, and you know the thing about innovation? It's relentless.
Now this one is pretty cool. I have to say, I couldn't keep myself from laughing because it's just incredible. That's just how the Joker would do in real life. But the bottom line is that you can animate any character. So if I go here, you can see I have all kinds of characters, a wizard, some robots. Now you can generate any character you want and you can animate that character. And that could be great in case you're looking to create a YouTube video, for example, showcasing a wizard at the beginning, talking about what people are going to see in the video, like some videos that I've created in the past about AI. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial here regarding the ID. In the next lecture, we're going to go ahead and we will show you how you can use the ID to create AI agents. Stay tuned for it. Passive Income Gen Z, wishing you the best and signing out.